finally gonna stand here today. On the 13th of July 2022, we have Tuomikatu 5 in Saksala, one of the suburbs of Lahti, Lahti's Finland. It is the only original one that we know of, so at least for the moment.
Yeah.
But the 1993 GER will check also the try also. Best is 4% of 305 grams. At least it's the only original 1970s one.
Probably.
By ValmetSchlieren with 9 floors. Yeah, probably. But 1976 turned 45 sold in last year, 2021. And the Silver SBS 4372 will be inspected this year, 2022, and the sign, warning sign, is in Swedish and Finnish, even in Lahtis.
Yeah.
That's great. Without memory. Two rights. When was this? Did you become finished? Did you see it?
No.
I'll check it.
Is tidspakegewijs dat maintain bots on risk practice.
Love the sounds in here.
Same.
It was also finished in 1976.
Yeah.
Maybe late 1976 finished. No, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. External lines.
That's